Now let us start about the parts of the permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is of basically two types, as said earlier, simple and complex. So let us begin first with the simple tissues. Simple tissues are the tissues that are composed of single type of cell that have common origin and function. Now simple permanent tissue are also of three types. First, parenchyma. Second, collenchyma. And third, sclerenchyma. This figure depicts the structure of simple tissues: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Now let us understand each of these tissue in brief. The first type of simple tissue is parenchyma. This figure depicts the structure of a parenchyma tissue. As it can be seen from the figure, this type of simple permanent tissue consists of thin-walled cells that can be either closely packed or have intercellular spaces. This cell wall is made up of cellulose. Each such parenchymatous cell is isodiametric or spherical or oval in shape. They are generally present in various organs of the plant. Now these organs can be either stem, leaf, root, or flower, fruit, and many others. The basic function of parenchyma is that it helps in photosynthesis, storage, and secretion like processes. Then comes the second type of simple permanent tissue, that is collenchyma. This structure depicts the structure of a collenchyma tissue. Like parenchymatous tissue, the cells of this tissue are also living and the cell wall is made up of cellulose. However, as you can see from the figure, there is a purple shaded pigment present. This is pectin. Thus, inner walls show thick deposition of pectin. Such thickening is more prominent in the angular walls where the number of cells join together. However, this tissue renders elasticity and flexibility to the organ. Unlike parenchymatous cells, these cells are compactly arranged without any intercellular spaces. These cells are chiefly present in the hypodermis of stem and leaves. However, it is absent in monocots. Then the third type of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. This figure depicts the structure of a sclerenchyma tissue. Unlike parenchyma and collenchyma tissue, this tissue consists of dead and thick-walled cells. Here, cell wall is deposited with lignin. Of which thick deposition occurs. Due to thick deposition of lignin, cells become strong, rigid and impermeable to water. Such cells do not have intercellular spaces, that is, they lack intercellular spaces. Such cells are generally present in the hypodermis, pericycle, the secondary vascular bundle, that can be either xylem or phloem, the basic function of such a sclerenchymatous tissue is that it provides mechanical support to the plant. Now, on the basis of variation in form, structure and origin, sclerenchymatous tissue can be of two types. First, sclerenchyma fibers, and second, sclerenchyma scleroids. This figure depicts the two types of sclerenchymatous cell. This is sclerid and fiber cells. Now, as it can be seen from the figure, the first, that is sclerenchyma fiber cells, are thick-walled, elongated, and pointed cells found in various parts of the plant. Second, sclerids are spherical or oval-shaped cells that are thick deposited consisting of narrow lumen. These are the sclerid cells that are spherical dead cells possessing thick deposition. Apart from this, one more thing, these fiber cells can be also represented as this fiber cells. So there is no need of any confusion because it can be either FIBRE or BER because both are one and the same.